making homemade whipping cream. For this, you don't need to, if you don't have any things to mix it, here's an easy way to do it. And we also need whipping cream. You can use flavoring. I like sugar, so I'm going to add a little sugar, and we need a jar. That's it. First, we need a jar with a cap to shake it up. If you don't have a lid, imagine I don't have a lid, then when I shake it, it goes everywhere. So I need. And then take the whipping cream. Now we have to pour in the heavy whipping cream. Now time to add your favorite flavor. For little kids, you can add flavor. For big kids, maybe you want flavor or maybe you don't want flavor. It's your choice. You can add flavor or no flavor. That's okay. You can choose any. Oh. Now time to add sugar on it. Just 1 spoon for me. Now we have to put the lid because as I said in the beginning, if you don't have a lid, then it poof everywhere, like a splat fall. There. Now we have it all secure. Shake it up now. Say it. Shake, shake, shake. A shake, shake, shake. A shake, shake, shake. A shake, shake, shake. A shake, 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 shake. A shake, shake. This might be boring though. It's fun. So you have to shake it until you don't hear any sound. I can still hear sounds. If you shake it the faster it gets whipping cream. Oh, dance, 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 dance the whipping cream. It feels like the cup is filled of milk, like someone is going to get it, but it's actually whipping cream. I can still feel a little bit it's getting into whipping cream. The whipping cream is all done. I can't even hear anything in it. So let's see. It's all big and it's not whipping cream. Ooh, it's so amazing, right? So cool. Now let's taste it. You know what that means? Yummy. It's done. Bye and see you soon. You have to try this yourself. It's really good. You can use any flavor you want. You can use vanilla, which we use, cinnamon. You can use blueberry. You can use chocolate, strawberry. Lots of different flavors. Bye.